Hello, all. We know about Wi-Fi, right? Wi-Fi is a uh, wireless networking protocol standard, correct? So this is predominantly used by everyone all around the world. So there are several standards that have evolved over a period of time in Wi-Fi. So this shows the list of all those standards and respective data rates. So the primary requirement for any Wi-Fi is we want the speed, correct? So if you see 802.11, it is around 2 Mbps. 802.11b, the maximum data rate is around 11 Mbps, and then 802.11a is 54 Mbps, and 802.11g is around 54 Mbps. So these two generations are coming around the same data rate, but the difference is A works on the 5 GHz band and G works on 2.4 GHz band. And then 802.11 N, which comes around 600 Mbps. So, and then 802.11 AC, which is around 1.3 Gbps, and 802.11 X, which has maximum data rate of 10 Gbps. Now, the latest standard, which is called a Wi-Fi 7 in terms of generation, which is called a 802.11 BE, which can go up to 40 Gbps. So, this is under evaluation, and we right now have up to 802.11 AX, AC, and AX. So AX comes under the Wi-Fi 6 generation, which is currently in use now. So you can see there is a continuous evaluation of Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi 7 is going to come soon. So a detailed list right now. If you are at home and if you are using a Wi-Fi, see if what the router is supporting and what speed you have been achieving. So sometimes what happens is when you are at home and you see that your router might not be supporting, but you might have taken a broadband connection. So that might be the reason, one reason where you see a rapid speed drop. Okay, please post if you have any questions. Please let us know if you see any changes in the speeds and any of your practical experiences. Thank you.